From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your morning weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
Well, somebody just posted on my social media account and said it best. The seasonal tug of war has begun. Happy Thursday, everybody. Thanks for checking in with your morning weather update. Here's the deal. We do have a chance for severe weather throughout the day today. Thunderstorms this morning, and we'll see a chance for strong to severe thunderstorms anytime after, I'll say 3 to 4, but probably closer to sundown and beyond. So let's go ahead and get to work with the forecast. We've got a lot to talk about here this morning. We did make it into the 60s and 70s again yesterday. So another warm and near record day. Actually, Chattanooga tied the record of 75 degrees. 6 o'clock in the morning, we started off with temperatures in the 50s, 60s. Warm, breezy, stormy to get the day started as well, with temperatures trending about 15 to 20 degrees warmer than what it was yesterday morning. The wind is with us, so the wind's been cranking here through the morning hours. Still going to be breezy throughout the day today, but the wind will relax from what we currently are experiencing. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 1 risk for isolated strong to severe thunderstorms. This runs through the day today and into tomorrow, technically about a 24-hour period, but it encompasses most of East Tennessee, and all modes of severe weather are on the table. So let's talk about it. The best timing anyways will be sunset to midnight tonight. The greatest threat is going to be damaging wind gusts. We got a lot of instability in the atmosphere to work with. We'll go 1-inch diameter hail, so put hail in the medium category. Remember, 1-inch diameter hail signifies a severe thunderstorm. Low end, but isolated possible, and maybe not just today, but I think as we progress through time, the localized flood concerns will increase. And very possible, I've got it on the low end category, but we have enough spin in the atmosphere, enough shear, that there is the potential, if we get a discrete or single cell thunderstorm, that we could get it to rotate, producing an isolated tornado. So that is still on the table. Let's go ahead and pick up the futurecast at 7 o'clock in the morning this morning. Again, we've had some scattered showers hanging out with us this morning. Do anticipate that throughout the day today, but that's not really the severe weather risk. The severe weather risk gets closer to 3 to 7, and then 7 and beyond. And you can see these little cells that will be developing. We've got enough instability. That's what we're going to be watching closely for. So if I need to go live and do severe weather coverage later on this evening, remember to download the East Tennessee Weather app. It's your best tool. You'll be able to get live severe weather coverage right there from your cell phone. You will be able to get watches and warnings issued by the National Weather Service when lightning's approaching or within 15 miles. You get notified on the cell phone if you have the app as well. So it's a great tool. Just search East TN Weather, all one word, and go to the App Store and download it today to stay in the know. So by 10 o'clock here tonight, again, we're going to continue to see those showers and thunderstorms. As this cold front swings its way on through during the overnight hours, the rain starts to slowly subside, but still is going to be kind of a wet start to our Friday morning. All right, so just through Friday, some areas might not get a lot. Some areas might get a lot more than other areas. So I think anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to over an inch of rain is possible. If you end up picking up about an inch of rain, that's when your flood concerns increase. Speaking of which, we don't have anything here in East Tennessee, but I wanted to show you this. We do have a flood watch in effect for southern Kentucky. That runs until 1 o'clock Thursday, 1 o'clock here today. So something to kind of keep in mind if you have travel plans northward. Lunchtime temperatures will be in the mid to upper 60s. Forecast highs today will be in the upper 60s to low 70s, so it's warm. It's breezy, it's unstable. We've got a frontal boundary hanging out with us to provide us that extra instability. And that's going to keep our temperatures mild as we get into the evening. But if you have evening plans, remember, between 7 and midnight, we have a chance for strong to severe thunderstorms. So stay weather alert, and the East Tennessee Weather app will notify you of all those alerts as well. Precipitation chances really elevated here over the next 7 days, where it's really going to start to pile up each and every day. So through Saturday, we'll likely pick up anywhere from 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. Through Monday, we'll add to that. And then all the way through next Wednesday, I mean, we're talking about the potential right now, 2 to 4 inches of rainfall here in East Tennessee. That's why I said flood concerns will increase every day we move forward. And the latest information from the Climate Prediction Center for your precipitation outlook, they've got a well above average right there from Nashville through Knoxville. This is not good news. That's your 6 to 10 day outlook. And then if we look at your 8 to 14 day outlook, we're still in that pattern for elevated rain chances. And so that's really going to pile up here over the next 7 to even 14 days. All right, with that said, temperatures will be average, above average anyways, all the way through Saturday. And then as we get into our Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, more seasonable weather returns to East Tennessee. All right, remember, we do have a chance for some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms, mainly this afternoon and through sunset and into the midnight hour. So keep that in mind. All modes of severe weather are on the table. So damaging wind, hail, flood concerns, and isolated tornadoes. So something to keep in mind there. So that's why I said earlier during the broadcast, you need a way to receive weather information, and the East Tennessee Weather app will do just that. Take a look. Plan your day with the East Tennessee Weather app. From video forecast weather updates to an interactive radar giving you past, current, and future radar of 2 hours to day parts, 7 days, current conditions, access to the only 24-hour weather channel right here in East Tennessee, live weather cameras, and severe weather alerts from the National Weather Service. Download the app today to always stay in the know. This is East Tennessee Weather. Weather when you want it.